Hello, student Juan Camilo Espina Fonseca, Technology Awesome, tutor Danilo Cárdenas Erazo, 8 de abril 2022. Eh, Technology Awesome, lies growing, long technology development, ignorance, maximize evaluation risk, last on information, markets, markets, there's productions, last on communication, increase issues and crawling errors, lands on crawlings on calls, validation impact on forgeries, land on trying hard to use appraising service, line crawling, long level of technology development, as an industry highly recommend a thorough and continuous evaluation throughout the learning process, implementing activities that promote clients, increase an instrument for Wi-Fi and more precise assessment, home cloud strategies that allows to identify the continuous improvements the different problems. Thank you.